The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is...
Hello and welcome to Self-Care Sunday. You guys, my name is Tawni if you're not familiar with me already. And today I'm going to be doing a little bit of self-care because I'm not really feeling myself. Even with filming this video, I'm going back in the editing and I look like I got an attitude. I'm like, but I don't think I had one, but I know I've been feeling a way about myself. So of course, because this is a hair channel, basically, we're going to start with hair. And boy, was I dreading this day. My hair is so matted that I have to start off with a pre-poo and put some oil on my hair. But first, we got to set the vibe. I like to light my candles that I get from Marshall's for $6, okay? I like to set the vibe. I like a mood. So I'm setting the vibe and the mood, and then we're going to get into this pre-poo treatment. So this is my go-to hair oil that I've been using for different treatments, and I believe the ingredients are, because I just throw oils together most of the time, but I think it's Vatika hair coconut oil, rose hip oil, and something else. But I like to do put it on my scalp first to, what is it called? To stimulate hair growth and all those things and give me a nice scalp massage. Now I'm going to run it down through the length of my hair and hopefully get as many strands as possible, not wet in this oil, but saturated. I'm having trouble with words today. Saturate all the hair strands, as many hair strands as I can get so that I can detangle with ease. I'm going to let this sit in my hair for who knows how long, because I have other things that I'm going to do before I get in the shower. So I'm just going to tie it up and let it saturate and penetrate my hair strands, because we're going to be doing an Aztec clay mask, bentonite mask, and I don't use it as often as I should. I really like the mask because it's a detoxing mask. It gets all of the impurities out of your face. I mean, I should be doing it at least once a month, if not once a week. It's also delicious and nutritious for you if you have problematic skin, if you have acne or oily skin. It's good for those things. And basically, I just wing it. I eyeball it. There's a consistency that I look for, but I just wing it. And then it's cold because the apple cider vinegar was super cold I keep it in the refrigerator. So, naturally this mask is going to be ice cold, but I think that's a good thing because I might be making this, but I think cold helps to close pores. But then if the bentonite clay is supposed to open the pores, or is it supposed to close pores? I don't know what it's supposed to do as far as pores, so let me just be quiet. You can probably do this on your whole body, but I'm gonna try my underarms today. Damn, it was cold. Woo, I remember that day. It was cold. But yeah, I'm gonna try to detox, I guess, the impurities, maybe not be so stank. I guess that's what it's supposed to do. I saw somebody do it on TikTok, so I was like, well, I got arms and I got bentonite clay, so let's give it a shot. She also said you can drink the bentonite clay, but we're not going that far today. So anyway, you're supposed to wait until the mask gets hard on your face and body, but it was a complete fail under my arms because I wasn't about to sit there and hold my arms up until they dried. And so it was like I had the arms kind of up and down sometimes, but then it would like roll off of my skin. Whatever. I guess it was a fail. It was all over the floor. It was a mess. It was a complete mess. Oh boy. And now we are getting to my favorite thing to do. I mean, every day, but especially Self-Care Sunday. I love to get in the shower. I do like to wash my hair. I love wetting my hair. I just love just feeling the water. I don't know if it's because I'm a water sign or what, but I just love being in the shower. So we're gonna start off with washing my hair with the Miche shampoo. I do really love this shampoo, obviously because it has the little nozzle thing that you can put directly in your scalp, but it also clarifies, but it doesn't all the way strip my hair of its natural oils. And I really wish I wasn't watching a Living Single episode, because then I can give you that real ASMR with the shower, so it can be sounding good and everything. I didn't think it through. And speaking of ASMR videos, I really want to go back and make ASMR videos. The last two that I made were whack and I couldn't put them out. So I don't know, maybe it's just meant for me to just watch the videos and not be a part of the community like that. Okay, so here we go. Here's how to detangle super matted hair with ease. I'm gonna be starting with deep conditioning my hair with the Miche Protein Deep Conditioner, and I'm gonna leave this on for the duration of the shower. Now, I'm not gonna be doing any detangling with this product in my hair. I just need this deep conditioner to melt my strands as much as possible. I need to saturate it, I need it to be smooth, and I need this to work. And also welcome to my realistic shower routine. This is something that I do every day. For Self-Care Sunday, for this situation, I like to use my exfoliate mittens so I can get the dead skin off my body. And the pumice, I think it's called the pumice, to scrub the bottom of these feet. So this is the first time I'm using honey pots, and it is a vaginal cleanser, but we will not be doing those things on the camera. And then I go back in with my peppermint soap and do a super duper deep scrub up under my arms. I do this every time I'm in the shower, and it's really the only way I can feel clean. And my camera would not focus this product for me, but it is the CeraVe or CeraVe. I don't know which one it is, but I've been using it on my face lately instead of the peppermint soap, because I've noticed that the peppermint soap is very stripping, and it was stripping my skin, making it super duper dry, even though I put a bunch of other stuff on my face. So I decided to switch to a moisturizing cleanser, and I've definitely noticed a difference in my skin. And I don't use it every day, I switch it up, I go back and forth between the two. And here we go, the moment of truth. I'm gonna rinse out this protein deep conditioner, and we're gonna see if it has indeed melted my hair strands. But first, I am going to be detangling with the Vatika Black Seed conditioner. I always I always detangle my hair with this conditioner, and despite the look on my face, it really did work. Putting the protein treatment on for the duration of the shower and then detangling is the move. There's no way I'd be able to part my hair like this or get the comb through it if it was just that matted of a situation. So I'm happy it worked. So really quick, let's talk the importance of Self-Care Sunday. Even though I hate that term and I hate buzzwords like that, it is really important. The meaning behind it is important to just, if you can take a day, once a month, once a week, just some time for you. Everybody gets busy doing their own thing. People have families, everybody got a job, I'm assuming. Well, some people don't work, and I want to be one of those people one day. But anyway, it's just important to just take time to do the things that you need to do for yourself, whether it's doing a mask or combing your hair out or shaving your underarms, which I did. I just didn't film it because it was like you weren't going to be able to see it. I did my underarms and my legs, but there are certain things that you just need to do for yourself to like reset and just feel better about life. And then let me know in the comments the things that you like to do for yourself for Self-Care Sunday or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whenever you get a chance to do something for yourself that's just for you. Let me know what it is. Oh, you thought the video was over. It ain't over yet. We still got to do skincare, and today I'm going to be using Clinical Skin's peptide serum. I did make some content for this brand, and then I fell in love with the serum, and I'm just gonna make sure I get this all over my face and neck. Also, this is my morning serum. I have a night serum that I will feature in another video, but as far as this one, I like it. I forgot what the peptides do, but they do something tingly to my face, and I adore it. Next, I'm going to be using Shea Moisture's Even and Radiant Raw Honey Moisturizer, and this is my first bottle, and I would not mind this being my new go-to base moisturizer. It does make my face really soft, and it's not as matte as I would like it to be, but it doesn't bother me in that way. But I am in the market I am in the market for a moisturizer that is going to be my top shelf moisturizer, best in the game. If you guys have any recommendations, I would love to try some and make videos about them and do all those things. But I am looking for a top shelf face moisturizer. Now for the hair. for the hair. But you know what? Because I've been out of the shower for a minute, you know, filming and setting things back up and doing my skincare routine and getting dressed and all those things, my hair is pretty dry. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I think I'm just gonna have like a no product day and we're just gonna go with that. I hope this video inspires you to do some self-care today or maybe tomorrow or the next day. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section. Like this video and I will see you guys next time.